Today I have 3 gel blaster on the table. This one is the MK18. This one is the QBZ-95, and this one is the SIG MCX. I'm going to walk you through one by one and show you how they feel, how they are made, and how is their shooting performance and FPS. Let's check it out. So first of all, let's look at this MK18. It has a full Picatinny wheel and very long barrel. This toy gun is mainly made of plastic and polymer. And we can look at the main body here. The property of US Gulf M4A1 carbine, cap 5.56 mm. It actually gets inspiration from the M4 system. So it actually mimics that, but it has something different. Look at the muzzle brake here. It is made of plastic. And the long barrel seat inside, it is made of metal. And on the right, and you can see the cope defense, and the imprint is very clear. And this is the fire selector, safe, semi, and the full automatic mode. The quicks is very solid and clear. It's very smooth. And this is the extendable stop here. It has several places to lock it in place. And this is the Tamiya connector for connected to the lithium battery. Grip here, it has some glue, so it holds very firmly. You can mat release here. This is the magazine, positive and negative pole. And here is for the gel ball. Let me get some gel ball. And then pull it inside. Mat insert. And this is the 11 voltage lithium battery. Let me connect it. And this is charging handle that do the priming. You can see the gel ball. You can hear the gel ball is rolling up into the chamber. Can you hear the sound of the charging handle? The spring is very solid. Whoa. The gel ball just come out very smoothly and consistently. Let me stuck the battery into the tube. The stop, put back the stop. So there you go. And I can add the optics on the top rail. Let me take this down first. So this is the chronograph. It can test its muzzle velocity, rate of firing, and we will do some calculation to get its FPS. So from the chronograph, we can see its muzzle velocity is 27.5 meters per second, and its rate of firing is 18.6, which means it shoots out 18.6 gel balls per second. So by conversion, its FPS is 19.36. And when you pull the charging handle, the ejection plate opens up, and this is the bolt catch. Okay, that is very realistic. It mimics the real gun. It doesn't do anything, but it just looks real. And this fake muzzle brake can be taken off. I can replace it with a smoke LED silencers. So there you go. This is the smoke LED silencer. It is goddamn cool. Let me just show you. Oh my god! That's awesome. Can you see the smoke from it? Can you see the light? last but not least, we can add this front grip to make the handling easier. There you go. This is the front grip. It is made of metal, very solid, very stable. So the handling now is much better. Next one, we are going to look at this QBZ-95, which is actually mimic the Chinese military rifle. QBZ stands for Light Weapon Automatic Rifle in Chinese, and the 95 refers to the year it was officially adopted by Chinese military. And look at it, the biggest feature of this toy gun is that the magazine actually sits behind the grip. And this is unlike most of the guns out there in the market. So it has a longer barrel than most of the guns out there. And this is a fake muzzle brake here, and you can take it off, replace it with any silencer. And here is the charging handle here. And this is a top rail. You can attach the optics on it. And this is for the battery. It has a battery connector here. And this is the fire selector. 0 indicates safe mode, and the 2 and 1 indicates the semi and full auto mode respectively. So let's connect it to the battery. So you need to stuck the battery inside. But when I'm shooting this video, I don't have the smaller battery, and this is too big for it, but we'll use it for this moment. So this is the full automatic mode. This is semi mode. So release the mag. So the magazine is also very unique. It is curved, and this is negative and the positive pole. And this is the gel ball. So next we are going to test its FPS by this chronograph. Turn it on. So as we can see, the muzzle velocity is 39.78 meter per second. Its rate of firing is 10.9, so it means that it can shoot out 10.9 gel ball per second. So by conversion, its FPS is 130. Next, I'm going to put on this flashlight silencer. So now let's look at this SIG MCX Rattler. You can see the imprints on the body of the toy gun. This is a very skeleton style handguard, very cool. It has a foldable stop here. You pull it, and then here you go. The grip here, and this is the full top rail. And mag release, bolt catch here, fire selector here, safe mode, semi, and the full automatic mode. And here, inside the handguard, there's barrel and there's also a battery connector. It's a pretty embarrassing. You have to stuck the battery inside. Oh, this one is too long. Maybe this one. And then connect it. So it's pretty ugly because you can see this lithium 11 voltage battery, cannot be fully hide inside. So let me pull the charging handle. The bolt covers open up. Bolt catch here presses. The bolt release. The bolt slides back and forth. Super realistic. Bolt catch. Load up the gel ball. Mat insert. Do the priming. Oh, you can hear the sound of it. The gel ball is running into the chamber. Okay, the gel ball come out smoothly. Let's test its FPS. So let's see, muzzle velocity 23.8 and the rate of firing is 9.4. I don't know if it's accurate. Maybe let's try shooting for a few times. Let's see if this time is different. Muzzle velocity is 52.7 and the rate of firing is 9.7. The conversion is FPS is 173. That's pretty awesome, better than the previous two.